after this your training classes, now I have done some seminars on goal-based financial planning, and that has really helped me get more clients and more business. So the entire seminar I structured on the way you taught us, like basic from starting from insurance to emergency fund to short-term, long-term goals, tax planning, debt planning. So the entire 90-minute session I have done for the last 2 months. I did it in 3 different platforms, and the kind of business that I've started getting is totally different from what I was getting before that. So we are getting quality clients, we are getting higher ticket size of business, and our entire approach to business has changed because of that. So now actually we are thinking totally differently, and I feel I mean, better late than never. I should have done this long ago, but at least now from the time that earlier my approach was like, when some client comes to me and says, okay, I have so much money, I want to invest in stocks or mutual funds. I never used to ask them more questions, because I always thought I don't want to infringe into their privacy and ask them about their financial. That was a thought I always had in my mind. But now I realize that many a time when they are coming, they don't know what the mistakes that they're doing. So it is for their own good that we have to ask them and then give them the right product. It's not about getting into their privacy. If somebody doesn't want to divulge the details, it's fine, but at least we have to tell them that if you give me such and such details, we will be able to guide you whether this is the right product for you, whether this is the time to get into stocks and mutual funds. Somebody who doesn't even have a health insurance should not be buying stocks as the first priority. So even yesterday, I had one lady walking into my office and she wanted to start the day trading. And when I asked her the first question, do you have health insurance? She said, no. I said, please, no, don't. I don't want, I mean, even at the cost of losing a client, we have started advising the clients, please don't do it. Okay. So the entire thought process has changed. So that is one thing. The seminars have really helped me move forward. Second thing, I'm writing a column on financial planning. It's in Malayalam. It's I'm writing this in the most read financial magazine in Kerala. So that has also actually given me a lot of. This course has given me a lot of insight into how I should approach this. Actually, I had started this column before joining this course. And at that time, that is also one of the reasons why I joined, because I didn't think I had the experience probably as a stockbroker, but not as a financial planner or as a financial advisor. So again, that column is also giving me a good visibility, I will say. So, so the entire my profile has changed over the last 1 year. And I feel a lot more people now know me as I mean, it's not that I projected myself, but it has happened. And recently also, last 2 weeks back, a magazine came out with an article on me. And that has really been read by a lot of people. And he had explained how this career was. So suddenly, without knowing myself, I've come into the limelight, and without pushing ourselves, it's getting a lot of visibility and publicity. So thank you so much, sir. I have to, first of all, thank you, because it's all because of this. I mean, the entire thing has changed over the last 1 year. There's absolutely no doubt about it. Yeah. So now, actually, regarding the financial plans that you've been saying, we have been recently doing a lot of, financial plans for NRIs. We have been focusing on that. The local people are still not in that mindset. Even my own clients, they are still like thinking of me only from a stockbroker point of view. They are not able to see me differently, because that's what they've been seeing me in the last 24 years, right? So, but after this session, this session on financial planning that I did, so people who listen to that are coming to me for financial planning. So that there I'm finding that difference. So we made a questionnaire on Google Forms, and we are taking all the details and that, and then we are giving a financial plan. So it's a simple calculation. We also have a mobile app now, where we are giving all these calculations there. Everything is there. So anybody wants to check out their retirement plan or children's plan, everything, all the calculations are there in the mobile app also. So it's helping us to tell the clients that, okay, we give the details and send it to them. Okay, this is what you want as SIP or lump sum. It's helping us that way also. So just to tell you, I mean, just to thank you so much that we are on a different level now, so than 1 year before.
Yes, my pleasure. And I always, even if you can recollect last year when you were discussing as a part of pre-joining discussion, because you opted for by paying 2,000 rupees 60-minute pre-joining paid discussion, and at the time, if you can recollect, I was discussing all this with you. Okay, you can help your client because as a senior professionals, whether someone is working in corporate or independent, having a 20-25 years of vintage in the particular market, you have a very good name in your home state Kerala. People know you, 1,000 people or 1,000 plus customers have trusted you. Now, if you can come with something which is the difficult to digest for them, financial wellness planning, but if they understand, when you push them, they understand, definitely they will transform their financial life. They will first like to create insurance foundation by having a necessary term life and health insurance, emergency corpus. Then they think about the savings into equity product, whether through a mutual fund or through a direct equity. But one should not think that, okay, I have a 100,000 rupees for 6 months. Okay, which stock I should buy? So that exactly today in our country, 90 out of 90, not 90, we can say maybe specifically new investors, those who have come in last 2-3 years. So 90 out of 100, okay, they are thinking this way only. If I have some money for 6 months, 12 months, what I should do? Put it into a stock and ride on momentum, and they don't know when momentum may go out and they may end up with the heavy capital loss because they were the short-term investor or trader, not the long-term investor. Someone who bought a Infosys example in January 2020 at a price of average, let's say 800, and then it was a 600. Someone who sold because someone didn't had a particular goal of holding for a long period. Okay, and then he or she lost 20, 25, 30% capital, and those who have bought at the time who earn the profit. So objective is that it is a difficult job because we are into wellness. You said about doctor, but doctor we go when there is an illness. Okay, but here as a financial wellness coach, we have to educate them. If you create a good habit about your finance, so that will help you to live a better life. You may not able to achieve that gigantic corpus of maybe a 10 crore, 100 crore, but at least you can live a happy, healthy and wealthy and peaceful life, or you can achieve your financial independence. Someone financial independence may be a 1 crore also. Okay, it is not like everyone require a 10 crore or 100 crore rupees for financial independence. So it is purely linked with your monthly expenses. Someone who is living in a small town having a monthly requirement of 25,000 inflation adjusted, and if he or she has created a 1 crore corpus, then it is a financial independence. Good, very good. So I am very happy that in last 1 year, whatever the I had an expectation from you because as a coach or as a mentor, I may not able to educate people directly because I am into a certification coach. I need someone like you who are at particular level, understand my thoughts, and then you transform that thoughts to your client, and then client can plan their financial independence journey or financial discipline journey. And I am very happy that you have your channel name Earth Financial Services, where she regularly uploads video. So if you like to listen the financial planning videos, so there are 2-3 videos I have checked that is into your mother tongue
Malayalam. Yes, I'm
Yeah,
going to do it in English, sir. I'm
Yes,
going
yes.
to do it in English because predominantly our clients are in Kerala, or rather Malayalam speaking people. So
Yes, yes.
just to get better reach, I have done it in Malayalam, and now there are a lot of requests have come to give these sessions in English. So I'm planning
Yes,
to do
yes.
it in, yeah. So
Yes,
I will be
and
doing
that, and it